My name is Amy, and I have been taking Plexus X Factor Plus for about 5 years now. For a few years prior to that, I turned 40, and as any woman in her 40s knows that things start to change dramatically at that point. So I made a decision that I was going to spend the decade trying to do what I can to stay fit, stay healthy. I began running at the age of 40. And I tried to do what I could. I wasn't a huge supplement taker at that point, but I tried to do what I could with healthy eating. And I noticed that no matter what I did for a few years, my gut health started to get a little worse. And there didn't seem to be too much I could do about it. So my sister, Anita, introduced me to Plexus, and she had suggested that I take the X Factor Plus because it was good for gut health. Not only that, but I started to have quite a few hot flashes at that point with my body changing. And she said that it shows that for some women it has helped with the hot flashes. At that point, I was having the hot flashes every hour on the hour. It was pretty bad, pretty miserable. So I started taking the X Factor Plus, and after consistently taking it for a few months, I started noticing a huge difference in my gut health. Prior to that, I was not regular at all. And this helped me with that, and it also helped my hot flashes. I was no longer getting them every hour on the hour, and I was starting to feel better overall. Just my overall being was starting to feel a lot better. I had a lot more energy. I also decided at that point to try the protein powder, which is very good, because I started making smoothies for myself in the morning that was packed with vegetables and fruits, and also the protein powder. And as a runner, I do need the extra protein to help with my muscles. So I consistently take the X Factor Plus as well as the protein powder, and I will be 50 next year. And I feel like that I am in much better shape, and I feel much better overall now than I did when I turned 40. So I highly suggest those two products, and I am looking forward to someday probably trying some more, but I'm having some great success with the X Factor Plus and the protein powder. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay.